silence with no end. Infinity withdrew, hiding deep within itself again. A distant glow, so far away, almost fading out. But in the shadow of the void, something new was found. Dim, dim, the light disappeared in the abyss. The echoes of heaven near, and in the darkness a spark remains. The mystery of Dia still remains. The universe in fragments, shattered reflections torn apart. Every soul a broken piece, searching for its missing parts. Through hidden paths where time dissolves, the void may call but light evolves. Symptom, the light disappeared in the abyss. The echoes of heaven near, and in the darkness a spark remains. The mystery of Dia still remains. We are dust drifting between the worlds, seeking essence, breaking the walls. If all is absence, then where am I? If the Creator hides, who am I? Symptom, the light disappeared in the abyss. The echoes of heaven are near, and in the darkness a spark remains. The mystery of Dia still remains. The void is not the end, but the start. The absence revealing what's eternal in the dark.